I'm a turkey man. I'm turkey man. I'm just a turkey man. Gobble, 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 boo. I'm the turkey man. La papu gab gabadi, I'm just the old turkey man. That's right, a turkey man. It was Thanksgiving, and I was feeding about 35 turkeys. That's right, you're eating one. I'm protecting them. I'm the turkey man. Well, I think if you did my DNA, it ain't full of human, that's for sure. Because everybody treats me like a turkey. I'm a mental patient. Well, yeah, just turkey. Lost my migration skills, so everyone just likes to put me in an oven. There's lots of Hitlers, you know. There's lots of Nazis. When you exclude somebody and say, get the fuck out, I don't want you in, you can't come in. Oh, no. How do they exclude you? You don't have enough money. Ha. You don't have enough money, you can't get in. You don't look right, you can't get in. You act weird, you can't get in. You ain't equal, not in this world. When you're like me, I'm the turkey man. They just think I'm a turkey man. I'm a turkey man. I'm the turkey man. Oh, do. A gobble 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 goo. Gobble.